Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Before we jump into this video, I want to mention I'm doing two giveaways. One is currently in motion. You can go enter for a chance to win some free silver. Check out the video I posted yesterday titled 26,000 subscriber giveaway for a chance to win free silver. Because who doesn't like winning free silver? Everyone in this is watching this video, I'm sure, loves precious metals. So free silver is definitely the best you can get. So make sure you go enter for a chance to win some of that. And it's just a way of me saying thank you. I'm also doing another giveaway, two giveaways. This next one, it's not in motion yet. It's not in motion yet, but you can stay tuned for a chance to win some more free silver. This one's sponsored by the Silver Forum, which is the biggest precious metals forum in the world. If you're a silver stacker, you need to be on the Silver Forum. All you gotta do for 10 of this one's to become a member, and I'm sure a lot of you guys and gals already are. So anyways, I'm going to talk about this article from Kitco talking about how safe haven demand boosts gold, silver as crude oil crashes. Interesting stuff. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe. I post daily videos every single day. I actually just did a silver unboxing today in my video earlier. If you want to go check that out, I just unboxed some silver. If you want to see what silver I just got today from Atmex, go check that out as well. So anyways, gold and silver futures prices are trading solidly up in midday U.S. trading Monday. The feature in trading today is an extremely sharp drop of over 50% in crude oil price or future prices in just one day. NYMEX crude oil hit an all-time low of $8.79 a barrel today. What? That's crazy, because just 2 months ago they were above $60 and now it's trading at $8.79. What's going on? North American storage facilities are full and there is no place to put new production amid the huge drop in the gasoline demand that has resulted in the price of the U.S. pump going for less than $1 a gallon at some locations. For the precious metals, the slumping oil market is a mixed bag. It's bullish for some sense of making safe in demand for a varied anxious marketplace with crude oil prices tanking, especially on near-term basis. However, it's bearish from the sense of crude oil being a leader in the raw commodity sector as its price being in a free fall. It would be especially bearish for metals if oil prices remained at such low levels for more than a few weeks, which apparently is unlikely, given that NYMEX June prices are trading at $22.75 a barrel. June gold futures were last up $12.50 an ounce at $1,711. May COMEX silver prices were last up 32 cents at $15.61. So, global stock markets were mixed lower in overnight trading. U.S. stock indexes are mixed at midday, but well off their session lows. This is a busy week for the U.S. corporate earnings, which are very likely to remind traders and investors of debilitating the effects of COVID-19 pandemic. In the U.S., more and more citizens, many of whom are out of work and running out of money, are demanding that governments reopen businesses. So right now, COVID-19 is still going on. We're supposed to have this opening up of May 1st where everything opens back up, but we don't know. It probably is going to be prolonged even farther. But right now we see gold sitting at $1,693, up $6.70. Silver in the green as well, $15.29. Platinum, $778, and palladium, $2,075. So China's central bank on Monday again cut its key lending rate by 20 basis points to a 3.85% in further effort to resuscitate its crippled economy. In other news Monday, in Germany, Bundesbank said in Germany, the strongest economy in the European Union, is facing a severe economic recession from which it is not likely to recover anytime soon. The German central bank said the reason for the slow recovery is that German government is likely to keep social distancing restrictions on its citizens until the vaccine is found for COVID-19. And who knows how long that's going to be. More economists are saying the expected economic recovery in North America will also be slower than the optimistic forecasts that were initially reckoned by many. The other important outside markets today see the U.S. dollar index near steady. The 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield is trading around 0.632% this morning, down from levels seen late last week and a sign of higher anxiety in the marketplace at present. So you can see gold and silver charts moving almost identical. So technically, June gold futures bulls have the overall solid near-term technical advantage and are keeping alive a price uptrend on the daily bar chart. Gold bulls' next upside near-term price breakout objective is to produce a close above solid technical resistance at $1,800. Bears' next near-term downside price breakout objective is pushing prices below solid technical support at $1,675. First resistance is seen at $1,725, and then Friday's high of $1,738. First support is seen at $1,700, and then today's low of $1,685. So it still is above that. So what do massive losses in oil mean for the gold price? Definitely interesting stuff. Breaking oil price trading at session lows around $4 a barrel, more than 73% on the day. So, and this was 47 minutes ago, so it's actually down to $4 a barrel. It's even lower. So, what has been an interesting more of this news? Angle producers taking equity stakes in junior companies. So, this is definitely crazy. May silver futures bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage. Bulls are keeping alive a 4-week-old uptrend on the daily bar chart. Silver bulls' next upside price objective is closing prices above solid technical resistance at $17 an ounce. The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid support at $14.50. First resistance is seen at $16 and then April high of $16.30. Next support is seen at the week low of $15.19 and then $15. May New York copper closed down 225 points at 232 cents today. Prices closed near the session low today on a corrective pullback from recent gains. The copper bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage. A 4-week-old uptrend is in place on the daily bar chart. Copper bulls' next upside price objective is pushing and closing prices above solid technical resistance at 250 cents. The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid technical support at 220 cents. First resistance is seen at last week's high of 235 cents and then at 238 cents. First support is seen at 230 cents and then last week's low of 226 cents. Market rating 6.0. So, definitely some interesting stuff. First, what is this crude oil crashing going to do? What is this going to do for gold and silver? Is this good news or is this bad news? Like the article said, it has mixed results. It could definitely go left or right. It could go up or down. And right now, it's looking like gold and silver are in the green. So for the short term, it's looking like things are working from it. But that's definitely going to be interesting. It's going to be very interesting. And they said, you know, like precious metals slumping, oil market is in a mixed bag. It's bullish in the sense of safe haven demand amid a very anxious marketplace with crude oil prices tanking, especially on near-term basis. However, it's bearish for the sense of crude oil being the leader of the raw commodity sector and its price being a free fall. So it has its good and bad moments, and it's going to be interesting over the next couple of weeks to see where this goes. Especially, like it said, this could be bad for gold and silver if it stays at low levels for more than a few weeks, which appears unlikely given that the NYMEX futures, the next contract out of May futures, are trading at $22.75 a barrel. So probably unlikely see it this low, but it's definitely interesting. So I'm curious where you guys and gals see these markets going. Do you think COVID-19 is going to have to wait till May 1st to see what happens? It's definitely, May 1st is definitely going to be an interesting time, because when they release a statement saying on what's going to be happening, it's definitely going to affect the economy, which is also going to affect precious metals prices, since they're so finely intertwined. You know, they're so deeply intertwined with how people's emotions are, whether it's fear, whether it's panic, whether it's good, positive vibes, you know, whatever the cases. And definitely the news on COVID-19, whether it's good or bad, is definitely going to affect precious metals prices. So stay tuned and be on the edge of your seat, because who knows, anything could happen like the snap of a finger, just like with crude oil prices tanking when they were just at $60 and now they're down to $4. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, or just entertaining, make sure to smash the like button. If you want a chance, 2 different chances to win some free silver, make sure you're subscribed. I post daily videos. I just posted the entry video if you want a chance to win. Also, go check out my unboxing. I just unboxed some silver. I definitely think you're going to enjoy it. I have some goodies in that one. Definitely some goodies in that one. I'm actually thinking about purchasing some more silver within the next couple days. and just keep this train going. You know, it feels good to keep stacking, especially when I haven't purchased silver in a while. So I definitely want to get back on top of that as well. So anyways, thanks for tuning into this video. The link to this article from Kitco will be in the description. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.